Hey, what's up YouTube? It's your boy Jam0510 with another quick unboxing video. But before I start, thank all my viewers and my subscribers for your support. Really appreciate it. If you're brand new to my channel, if you like what I'm doing, if you guys can hit that subscribe button. Also really appreciate if you guys can hit that thumbs up. Really goes a long way. But as you can see here, I have a box from Nike. You can tell by the packaging tape over here. And you can also tell by the swoosh on the side. So it's a big target that it is coming from Nike. So let's crack this open. I was able to get, I guess, an early drop on this. They released a few pairs on the SNKRS app, and I know they're gonna have a wider release later on, but I was able to grab these early, again, from the SNKRS app. There we go. So, here it is. And then we got the receipt right there. You can see flight box with the Jumpman right there. This is the Air Jordan 4 Retro, and suggested retail is $190 right here. And let's see, colorway is cool gray, chrome, dark charcoal. So you can really tell that these are the cool gray 4s there. And again, size 10 and I guess 11.5 in women's right there. That is open. And here are the shoes right here. Just a quick look at this shoe. There. So you got the bottom right there, you got the Jumpman there in yellow. Get the visible air unit. Then you got this upper, which is more like a nubuck material to it, I believe. It's not, I don't think it's suede. More like a nubuck, or, you know. And then you got the wings over here, and again, it is in with that nubuck material. You got the mesh in gray. You got the shoelaces in gray. There. You got the Jumpman with the flight patch, the tongue. And then you do have, does say Air Jordan. It's all in yellow. As you can see, it's upside down. Right there. You got that chrome Jumpman in the back. And then you have this pull tab right there. Pretty clean shoe in my opinion. I do like the look of the 4s. So here's the other pair right there. Again, they released a couple pairs early on the SNKRS app, but they will release the more worldwide later on. I believe it's like August 1st or August 3rd, one of those days. So here it is. Any questions, just hit me up, leave me a comment, or inbox me. You can also follow me on social media. I'll have all the links in the description. All right, YouTube. Peace out.